Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be giving you all a quick update on my hair growth progress ever since, starting this little hair growth challenge. Now look how the sun won't come through and make me look kind of orange. Oh, it's too bright over there. Okay guys, so I literally just had to switch up the positioning because the sun was way too bright in my face. Oh, I didn't really like how it was making me look. But anyway guys, so today I am going to give you all a quick update on the progress that I have been having with my juicing and smoothie only challenge. Yeah. Okay, so my very first video that I did in this postpartum hair loss vlog series, I had shared with you all that it was May 15th, and I shared with you all that I had started my juicing and smoothie challenge that particular week. Now, even though at the time I did start it, I decided that I wanted to stop and restart that challenge at a later time. So the reason why I decided to stop the challenge at that point is because I was also at that time still taking my supplements, and you guys supposed to know how I feel about supplements by now. If you don't, definitely check the cards. I think it should be right here. So definitely check the cards out as to why I don't necessarily mess with the tablets, but I wanted to give this hair growth challenge like a fair shot in saying like, yes, this is all I use to grow my hair and see how far it's gotten. But I stopped it and I started it officially on May 27th. So this challenge has been going on officially since May 27th. And yesterday ended my 12-week journey just focusing on juicing and smoothies, right? So these are the results I've had since then. And I'd like to add that although, I wash my hair and, grease it up and do my little, my moisturizing and oiling and all of that, I haven't been consistent with that at all. To be honest, it's kind of like I wasn't even doing it anyway. Like I tried to do it and then I just wasn't doing it. And then I thought, you know what? That's all to the good, because this will give a very much clearer idea of how juicing and smoothies only, like, taking in these natural fruits and vegetables, can impact hair growth. Right. So all I have been having is juice and smoothies, and this is the results I've had so far. Guys, I am not lying to you. I am not making up anything. Look at this. Remember the other time when I was showing you and I was like, look, no hair? Look at this. Isn't this hair growing back? And look at this bit right here. Look at this. Juicing and smoothies only. Now, I ain't gonna lie. You see this part here of my hair? This? I've always had a lot of trouble growing in this bit back. And over this side also, right here. But I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at that. It's filling in. It's coming back. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if the sun is just being too extra right now. But it's growing. It's growing. Like if you could get really, really up close. Let me see if I can pull this forward. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you can see any hair, but I can see. I know I can see hair growing out of it when I examine it really closely. So that goes to show you that your hair can grow with just sticking to nature. Nature can do what it do. You see what I'm saying? And you guys remember how right here was looking all types of crazy? Look at this. Look at this. My hair is growing back. Oh my good Lord. Look at that. Look at that hair growing back. So for the past 12 weeks, I have just been focusing on internal hair care. And if y'all know me and have been following all my other challenges I have done in the past, you know a girl keep herself accountable. So I have been, boom. This is how I've been tracking what I've been doing. And like, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't done the best. Like I have missed days. Like for example, I'll show you guys a bit more up close and personal. So during week 1, you can see that for juices, I missed of 7 days that I should be having my juice. I have only had juice 4 times out of that first week. And the same goes for smoothies, right? So, you know, I'm keeping myself accountable. I want to be very true. I want to be honest, because at the end of the day, this is not only to show you guys that this works, but it's also to prove to myself that it worked, because it will be pointless me trying to fabricate this to you. Like, who am I fooling? Like, I'll be fooling myself. So I want to keep it real, keep it 100 with you all, and show you guys that if you stay consistent, even though I wasn't quite consistent, you know, but I want to show you guys, give you guys a good idea of how much juice I've been juicing and smoothies I've been drinking during this time frame. And this is the results I'm getting. And I ain't gonna lie, guys, look at this. Like, if you had seen my other hair growth challenges where I was just doing this with you know, hair growth oil, you can see the result. I don't know, would you say this is around the same results, like what you're getting, or would you say this one's better, or the what do you call it, hair growth oil one was better results? So what I plan to do for the next 3 months is to now incorporate my what do you call it now, my external hair care. So I will be doing internal hair care, and now I'm going to be adding my external hair care routine, which in my next video I will be showing you guys exactly what I will be doing for the next 12 weeks. So this is my results for 12 weeks juicing and having smoothies every single day. And like I've said before, and like it says in my banner, life's a hair journey. Like, I have been going through, you know, or dealing with alopecia for the longest time. And again, guys, for those who don't know, alopecia simply means hair loss, baldness. You know, in my previous video, in one of my videos, I did put up the definition according to the Oxford Dictionary, what alopecia means. And it's just simply, plain and simple, hair loss, right? So I have been dealing with a variety of hair loss for time. And I also did that video, 4 reasons why my hair fell out, explaining to you, get my words out, explaining to you all, like, the reasons why my hair had fell out in the past. So, you know, I have been dealing with this for some time. So, you know, this is like a journey that I am just ready to be done with in my life, you know. Like, but what do you guys think? Do you guys think like it has grown somewhat? If you guys are not quite sure, definitely go back and check out my previous videos to see what was happening with my hair. You're gonna see when it was like the very first video, it didn't look too bad. By the next video, it was like, girl, what happened to your edges? And as it progressed, you saw that it got worse. Now, if you guys don't believe it's growing or don't look like it's grown much to you, go get your eyes checked, okay? Go get your eyes checked. But yeah, it's definitely growing. I am happy, and I am just so like grateful and happy to show you all that this is what fruits and vegetables can do for you. And you know, a girl's been a little bit brave these days, stepping outside without covering her hair. Yes, I have been. I ain't gonna lie. I was like, Kiesha, you feeling yourself now, huh? Edges coming back. You're feeling yourself now. Feeling myself. But yes, I am totally excited, and I look forward to seeing all of this just being poof, full and gorgeous. But with all of that said, guys, I am going to wrap up today's video. Definitely let me know in the comment section below if you think my hair has grown like a good amount just by juicing and smoothies. Just by drinking my juices and my smoothies only. And again, like I says, go back and watch all the videos in this playlist. It's not a lot of videos, by the way. It's not a lot, trust me. You know, one night I sat and watched all of them, and that's when I was like, hold on, girl, your hair has like you saw when it was decent and then it fell right out, and then now you see it coming back. And this is why I said I wanted to do this journey, so that I can, well, record this journey so that I can, you know, look back and see how much my hair, how postpartum hair loss had impacted my hair, and how much juicing and smoothies impact my hair. So this is a visualization. Now I noticed since doing these videos, I haven't really taken a lot of photos, but when I did my hair growth, the hair growth oil challenge, I did take a lot more photos during that time. But I would like for you all to check out what's been happening in the postpartum vlog series to see where I started and the journey throughout, and where I am currently, 12 weeks of just doing this. And also check out my hair growth oil challenges and see the results that I got from that. And tell me what you guys think. Do you think this one gave me more result, like a better result? Or is it the same amount of results, or what? And let me know if you think my hair has grown somewhat. I believe it is. It's kind of obvious to me. Hopefully you guys can see that as well. But like I said, definitely leave a comment in the comments below and let me know what you guys think of my progress. Is this inspiring you to say, I want to go and start juicing and drinking smoothies on a daily to see how my hair will be impacted? Let me know, because I feel like this is revolutionary. Kind of, not really, because this has just been happening from the dawn of day, but most people sleep on nature. But anyway, so let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video, where I will be sharing with you, you know, the external care that I will be implementing in this hair growth challenge of mine. And like I said, it's not necessarily a challenge, it's just a journey. And I am aiming to go back to the days when my edges was looking nice and full, like when I was a little girl. So that is the aim. Right now I'm quite far away from it, but that is the aim. And I'm talking too much. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then you know what to do. Make sure you get it popping in the comments below, and until next time, just remember, life's a hair journey.